There's a lot of hidden dangers with periodontal disease. From a dental perspective, it can cause you to lose teeth. And the problem with gum disease is you lose the bone that was holding the teeth in place. So once the teeth are gone, it's very, very hard to replace them if it's from gum disease. But that's not all. Gum disease is very much connected to your overall health. A lot of people with gum disease suffer from heart disease as well. And we believe that's because of your body's reaction to the bacteria in the gums. There's a lot of blood flow to your gums and to your mouth as a whole. And when there's bacteria in there, your body senses that bacteria and it mounts a war against it, and inflammatory molecules float through your entire body. There's a very strong correlation with cardiovascular disease and gum disease. So it's very, very important that we make sure you stay out of gum disease. It's sort of a silent killer. It causes a lot of problems without necessarily causing any pain. And so it's very, very important to make sure that you have a dental team that can keep you out of harm's way with respect to gum disease.